All right, guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content. And in today's video, I'm going to go over the Car Wizard's latest video. It's done about 19 days ago about why not to buy a freaking Hyundai, Kia, or Genesis. Now, I just made this video on Carl's Garage. I just uploaded it, so go ahead, check it out over there. This one might be a little shorter. That one's about 17 minutes. But again, pay attention to my damn videos. I've been trying to show you guys and tell you guys for forever. I don't know what else to tell you. Stop buying these piece of shit cars. Again, if you need the book, link is in the description. My book comes with all of this information right here. The only reason why I'm selling the book is because a lot of people are just too lazy to go and watch all my videos. So I took 3 days to develop this book, which this is what the book looks like. It's gonna come with everything here, all this information here, and then the link that I send you comes with all of these links here for you to be able to print out this documentation and either get your engine replaced if they're denying you, get signed up for the KSDS if you don't have that, which is something that you need in order to get your engine replaced, or if you're looking to get a Kia or you might have one and you just happen to come across this video and you're like, hey, what the hell is that? Let me get this book so that you can prepare yourself to go get your KSDS and have all the documentation and create that relationship with your dealership locally in your area so that you can be prepared whenever that engine blows, because it's going to blow. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the video because the Car Wizard is a very famous mechanic, YouTuber, huge platform. That's the reason why he's being interviewed by VinWiki. Check them out. I'll put the link in the description. All credit goes to VinWiki for this content that I'm about to play. I'm not going to play too much of it, just a little bit of his interview. Then I will be commenting on that. So YouTube, don't hit me with a strike.
List ones that you should run away from. Don't even look at them. Don't even research the specs on them or anything. Don't even try. And that is going to be a group of cars. It's going to be Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis. Now keep in mind, guys.
Yep. So just like he said, I've been saying this for years, since 2020, since I first started Kia Engine Settlement, and then telling you guys about what's going on. Car catching fire, needing the KSDS, Theta Engine 2 going bad, the electric charge port. They just recalled like 90,000 of the new EVs, the EV9, all the new EVs. They're shit. Kia could give a damn less about quality control. They sell cheap. I'm not gonna lie, the design is cool. They sell cool, the designs are cool. Whoever the hell's designing over there, they do a great job at designing. But again, you're getting all three, right? Getting great design, reliability for a low cost is not gonna happen. Like, you can only really get two or sometimes one or one and a half of the big three. It's rare that you can get, you might get a great designed car. It might be reliable, but it's not going to be cheap. You might get a cheap car. It may be reliable, but it's not going to be great design. I'll give you a prime example. Old school Toyota Camry, right? Or Toyota Corolla. They were the most boring cars. Hyundai Accord, right? Honda Civic. They were the most boring cars on the road. But guess what? They're affordable and they're reliable. They lacked in design. So there's a lot of vehicles. And again, if you want like a Lexus, it's not affordable. Maybe now an old school one. It's uber reliable and it's great design. It's hard to get all three, but the biggest thing when it comes to Kia, Hyundai, Genesis, they look great. The design is flawless, but they're not reliable at all, and they're super cheap. So you're buying something that looks good and is cheap, but is not reliable. So you're buying it just for like a couple of minutes. Essentially, you're wasting your money because the reliability in a vehicle and the resale value is what you want, and these cars are just crap.
I worked on multiple thousands of cars. Not just the one that you have in your driveway that you got lucky on. I've worked.
Yeah, and I'm glad that I got to stop that. I had to stop that in my other video too. I have thousands and thousands of people that I've helped and commented on my videos, and thousands of, well, probably like 500,000 views if you count up all my videos on this subject. And I've helped thousands of people tell you, stop buying Hyundais, Kias, and Genesis. Even my dad, I told him, like, what the hell is wrong with you? These cars are crap. But again, he's telling you the same thing. He already did his top 5 best cars. His #1 worst car to stay the hell away from: Hyundai, Kia, Genesis.
Worked on thousands of cars, and I've seen so many of these broke. I've seen terrible sob stories with customers, with Kias especially, and Hyundais, where it left families in complete desperation. They're completely empty. Their bank accounts are.
And I have sob stories and actual real life testimonies of this happening. If you look at all my comments, you'll see Instagram. People message me all the time. I got so many people in my Instagram inbox that I don't even have time to help because of my business. And then emails. People send pages of emails of going on with their cars. I'm older. I'm a gentleman. I'm an older gentleman. I'm wheelchair bound. I'm a veteran. I'm this. I'm that. I'm a mother. I'm a single mother. I don't have any money and I don't know what to do. It's thousands. These cars have left people destroyed. That's the reason why there's been 3 class action lawsuits, and the 4th one is with the EV cars. They're just horrible. And Kia, Hyundai, Genesis, they target a demographic, a specific demographic on purpose. Your credit score is not good enough for a Lexus or a Acura or a Mercedes. BMW sucks. That's also on his list, a car to stay away from. But or a higher end vehicle. Your credit is good enough for one of them Nissan Altimas or a Hyundai Sonata or a Kia Sorento, right? Your credit's good enough for that, and they'll throw your ass in one of those and know damn well your engine's gonna pop. And that's why I tell people, like the dude flying wheels, it's his fault, right? I made that video. It's both of your fault. The guy who bought that Hyundai Veloster and the guy who sold it. You should have known what the hell you were getting into whenever you went to the auction and bought that piece of crap car, and you put it on your dealership lot, and then somebody buys it and they're mad that they bought a piece of crap car. It's both of your faults. If you buy a Hyundai, it is your fault, especially if you buy one brand new. It's your fault. You deserve everything that's going to happen to you because you're purposely ignoring all of the information that is out here. And it's not just me. There are legit experts telling you stay the hell away from these cars.
They're empty. They don't know what they're going to do. One car we actually had that the engine went bad was a Hyundai Sonata. It absolutely bankrupted this family. It got hauled off. They just said, just make it.
Yep, when he talks about getting hauled off, same thing with our Kia Optima, Hyundai Sonata, Kia Optima, same thing. Same as that car, 2.4 liter or 2 liter. Both got the Theta 2 engine in it. Piece of crap cars, they're gonna blow. And even if they replace your engine, they're gonna blow. So yeah, you just let it go. If you can so many people think that it's really better to keep paying for a car that you can't do anything with or whatever. Oh, it's gonna, listen, just let the freaking car go. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just giving you just real life advice. We let our car go, okay? I'm not paying for a car that I know that I have to drive in order till the engine blows up, and I know that even if I do get a new engine, that one's gonna go out. I'm not gonna keep paying for that. That's stupid. I could care less what you do, whatever you do with it. All you're gonna do is sell it at an auction and try to charge me later or whatever. I could care less. You're not gonna affect my credit. You're not gonna affect my buying power of anything that I wanna do. Now, again, that's just my situation with me and my family. Your situation may be different. You might not be able to afford to do that. But all I can tell you is that you might be, it's better to scrounge up a few dollars, and maybe the car knows that you might have paid for that one. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not telling you any advice. Maybe take that money that you might have paid for that car that you have that's sitting in the lot and they already denied you, and maybe scrounging up a couple dollars and going to get your ass a Toyota Corolla or something like that, something that's going to last you a long, long, long period of time. And again, the Toyota Camry was the #1 on his list, and then the Honda Accord.
It go away. I don't want to see it anymore. It was actually a decent car, but the engine had failed. They have lots of engine failures on those GDI.
Now this right here, I don't know why the hell they would show a Chevy when we're talking about Kia. Again, this is VinWiki. Maybe you guys should go re-edit this video and re-put it back out. Whoever the hell did this, because this is OD.
This isn't something I've seen once in a while. I've seen this over and over and over and over with Hyundais and Kias. So when people say, should I buy a Hyundai? Should I buy this Genesis? Should I buy this Kia? I just can't within my right mind to say, yes, you should buy one of those.
Don't buy it.
Do not buy any of those cars. I don't care what kind of deal you found. I don't care.
Yeah, that's why I'm glad that he mentioned this. This is like my favorite video of all time. I don't care what deal you found. I don't care what features you got. It is just a matter of time. It's a shined turd. A Kia Optima, a Kia Hyundai Genesis is just a shined turd. That's it. That is it. That's the reason why they're able to pack all that stuff in there for no money. And your car note is low and all this other stuff, and they can give these wild, crazy 100,000-mile warranties because they know, especially after 100,000 miles, that car is crap. But they know these cars probably ain't even going to get to 100,000 miles because they're telling you that you can change your oil every 10,000 miles, and you're literally changing your oil every 10,000 miles, and cars can't take that. So it's a recipe for disaster. Like he said, I don't care what deals you get, what friendly discounts, veteran discounts, whatever the hell discounts you get for that piece of shit car, don't waste your money. That's all that we can do is give you the information. That's it. If you decide to still step in the fire, that's on you. That's on you. But when you're coming back to my channel looking to get my book, that's on you.
Care what kind of special friend discount you got, don't do it. It's not worth it. Second one is any.
All right, that's it, guys. So I'm going to end this video. I just really want to show you guys that this is very, very, very important. I had to create this book and keep giving out the information because I'm getting busy in my personal life, but I still want to help people. So I'm like, all right, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to create a book, throw it out there. If you buy it, you buy it. If not, go check out all my videos. If you don't want to be lazy and you don't want the book all in one, and you just click the link and go through all the things and find your car and print out all the documentation that you need, whatever, you just come in here, oh, look, my car is one of these, or or over here, or my car's on this list or something like that, and you print out the information that you need, or, oh, here's the recall service for this thing right here or whatever. And then there's also another thing in here for the money too, because they're paying out money. If you don't want to do all that and you don't want to buy the book and you just want to go watch all my videos, that's what I advise you to do. If you look at my comments, a lot of people have gotten their engines replaced because they've just sat down and just watched my videos, and they do countless hours, right? Versus just emailing me saying, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? And first thing I'm going to send you is, you might want to consider buying the book, because all the information is in there. Same thing what he had to do, fixing people's cars and get the information, is what I had to do. And then I got to make all these videos and stuff like that. So, time is money, and it's a very hard life out here. So if you want the convenience, buy the book. If you want to do your due diligence and look, everything in the book is for free online. You just got to go online and look, or you got to watch all my videos. That's going to be it. Or you just don't buy a freaking Hyundai Kia. And if you're already stuck in one, get rid of it as soon as possible. We are telling you, me and him are telling you, get rid of that thing as soon as possible. That's going to be it. Straight Outta Content. Stay tuned for the next video.